Today, we'll show you how Fluix automates your work instructions. From field inspections to supervisor sign-off in just a few simple steps. It all starts with two core components: work instruction form built in the Form Builder, and a customizable multi-step workflow created in the Workflow Builder. This workflow automatically routes each stage to the right team members, triggers maintenance requests or emergency alerts based on issue severity, and finishes with supervisor approval. Once complete, all forms are securely stored and easy to access. The process begins with the technician. They open their assigned form and complete each step directly on their device. Here's where it gets smart. If an issue is found, the technician selects either Not OK or Critical Issue, which prompts a required comment. Selecting Not OK automatically creates a maintenance request, while selecting Critical Issue instantly sends an email alert to a manager and shares the form for urgent review. If everything checks out, the technician clicks Finish, and the form is sent to the supervisor for approval. If something needs correction, it's sent back, creating a fail-safe loop until everything is fully compliant. Once approved, the form is automatically uploaded to your chosen storage and updates the asset history, creating a complete digital audit trail. And that's it. That's how Fluix connects your entire work instruction process into one smooth, automated, real-time workflow. To find out more, book your demo now at sales@fluix.io. Field work done right with Fluix.